welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be putting on this V-part wig from CurlsCurls. I was so excited when I received this package. It literally looks so cute and it says love curls, love yourself by CurlsCurls. So let's get into the unboxing. This is what it says off the bat, as you can see, and in the back of the box you'll basically find the Facebook information for the company if you want to check it, and all their social media information. Here is what's in the box. So you see your hair, it has an instruction manual that talks about the installation process. So if you don't know what to do, you have this to back up and to kind of help you out. So that's really great. They also have an extra clip and then just a note saying that it's 100% human hair. So this is how the hair looks straight out of the package, as you can see, without being washed or anything. This is how it looks like. Super nice, as you can see, and it has a band there, so that's going to keep your hair that's going to keep the wig stuck on your hair, so it's not going to go anywhere. It is called natural curly V-part wig, so if you have natural hair, this is definitely going to be a good option for you if you're looking for a V-part that's going to be able to blend in with your hair. Look at how full it is. I'm just so obsessed with how full it is out of the package. If you are a natural hair girly, definitely look for this product. And I also feel like in the inside it's sewn very well, which I really appreciate. And there are the clips there that you just unclip so that you can clip the wig onto your hair. So I did go ahead and shampoo and condition the wig at this point. It is a little bit wet, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting in my products. So I'm adding in a leave-in curl cream and also a mousse to kind of activate the curls. I mean, it's already curly, but to just kind of define the curls a little bit more and make the curls bounce back, because I just shampooed the hair out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that until I feel like it basically is good enough, and then I'll let it to dry for 24 hours. You can also do finger coils if you want to do that, if you're one of those girls. And I like scrunching up the hair as well, just so that it gives the curls a bounce back. And I also like doing this with my own hair as well. So you just scrunch it back up. As I put in the product, I'm just scrunching the hair back up. And basically I continue scrunching it up and or adding products until I feel like it's at this stage where I feel like I'm comfortable with it or I'm okay with the way it looks, and then I go ahead and let it air dry. This is how it looks like once it's all done, and now I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit and air dry for about 24 hours, and then I'll come back to you guys once it's all dried up. This is how the hair looks like once it's all dried up. That's how it looks like right now. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start beginning the installation process. So I decided to braid my hair back. It's just 4 big braids at the back, nothing too special. And I just left I'm gonna be doing it with leave out this time. If you don't wanna do without leave out, if you prefer having your hair without leave out, you can also do the crochet method. But for this video, I was going for a look with a leave out to kind of have it blend in more with my hair. That's just how I felt. I'm going ahead and I'm installing the hair right now. So I'm just using the clips to clip them back until I feel like it fits in a position that I'm okay with. I then realized that it was a little bit too forward, so I then decided to go ahead and adjust it and push the V part a little bit back, closer to where my hair starts instead, because it was a little bit way too forward before. So that's just what I'm doing. Now I'm just tightening the bands at the back and just making sure that all the clips that I have to clip in are all clipped in and everything is secure before proceeding. This is how it looks like once I've unraveled the pin there. And I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some water because my hair was blown out, so it is quite stretched out already. It's not curly. So I'm adding some water just to make my hair revert back to what it was. And because it was blown out, I am gonna have to add in a lot of water or also add in a lot of products to just kind of make it go back to the way that it was before. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add my leave-in conditioner curling cream and mousse. Keep in mind that for this step, you can totally go ahead and use gel. Actually, if you use gel, it's probably gonna look much better. But the thing is, I was trying to avoid using gel in this video. I just didn't feel like using any gel. So I decided to use mousse and the curling cream conditioner instead. So that's why it's gonna take me a little bit longer to make it go back to what it was. But keep in mind, you can use curling cream if you want. That's also gonna help your hair blend in much better. And I'm just scrunching my hair along as I add the products in my hair, just to give it back the natural bounce, just to make it go back to the natural curls that it was before. And I continue doing this until I basically feel satisfied and I feel like my curls are blending in now with the product. Blending in with the V-part wig. Then once I feel like I'm ready to proceed, and then I'll go to the next step. And this would be much easier if you start with your hair already washed. Let's say if your hair wasn't already blown out, it would have been much easier, obviously. Once I'm happy with the way it is, then I go ahead and put back the middle part that I had before, and I just blend it in with my hair a little bit more. Make sure that the line is straight. This is how it looks like with my hair with it wet. I already like it so far. And now I'm gonna go ahead and continue adding some more water in the actual V part itself so that I can blend the hair together whilst adding product in it. So that's why I'm just adding some water in the V part and I'm just running my hands through it and scrunching at the same time when necessary. I'm gonna go ahead and actually add more product so that I can blend the product in together with my own hair and the V part, so that it just kind of blends in more seamlessly. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is the final look of the hair once it's dry. I really like the way it looks, guys. It definitely looks so natural. It blends in with my hair. So it's definitely 100% human hair. And it's 20 inches as well, which I love the 20 inches length. And I feel like it's not going anywhere. Like, look at that, honestly. Like, you can turn around, shake your hair. The hair is not going anywhere. And I definitely love that. And here is a little bit of a close-up here. You can see how well it blends in with my natural hair. I actually wore it out, and everyone who saw it thought it was my natural hair, thought it was all my natural hair. So that's definitely a good thing, and it's super affordable as well. If you want to get this wig, it will be linked down in the description box as well. So if you're looking for a curly, natural curly, kinky curly hair V-part that you want to do without having a lot of hair that you leave out, then definitely get this V-part. It's super nice and super natural. And thanks to CurlsCurls for sending your girl this wig. I've been looking for a wig like this for the longest time, so I'm so glad I finally have one. Otherwise, thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll catch you in my next one.